Okay guys, we're gonna go look at the front. It's really bad. Some cars are stuck because the flood's gone so high. So have a look. This is our front. Water over there. It's not too bad, but when you get over on the road, it's really bad. So see all the road, and car stuck over there, and there's another car too. Oh my god, it is so bad. This one's really deep. You can almost swim. Wow. Terrible. My goodness. Stay safe, everybody. Stay inside. Starting to come up. Hopefully it doesn't get further that I go up here, because all our stuff in the shed, all our boxes is getting wet. It's not too high, but it's getting higher. Hopefully nothing will get ruined. So back with water as well. See over here? Oh my god, all our boxes in there. Please Lord, let this stop. Stay safe everybody.